Adams County, Pennsylvania, Columbia County, Pennsylvania, Cumberland County, Pennsylvania, Dauphin County, Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County, Pennsylvania, northeastern Juniata County, Pennsylvania, northwestern Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, Lebanon County, Pennsylvania, Monter County, Pennsylvania, eastern Perry County, Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County, Pennsylvania, eastern Snyder County, Pennsylvania, Sullivan County, Pennsylvania, eastern Union County, Pennsylvania, York County, Pennsylvania, Northumberland County, Pennsylvania, eastern Lycoming County, Pennsylvania, until 7:30 a.m. At 6:26 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from West Burlington to Turbottville to Liverpool to Walnut Bottom to Clear Spring, moving east at 55 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations included in the warning: Enville, Ashland, Berwick, Bloomsburg, Camp Hill, Carlisle, Colonial Park, Columbia, Cornwall, Dallastown, Danville, East Petersburg, Elizabeth Townsend, Inola, Frackville, Gettysburg, Greencastle, Hanover, Harrisburg, and Hershey. Other notable locations in the warning: Harrisburg International Airport, Hershey Park, Nobil's Amusement Park, Gettysburg National Military Park, Ski Area, Liberty Mountain Resort, City Island, Bucknell University, Bloomsburg University, Gettysburg College, Messiah College, York College of Pennsylvania, Penn State College of Medicine, Penn State Dickinson School of Law, Penn State Montalto, Penn State Harrisburg, Penn State Schuylkill, and Penn State York. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 214 and 282, Interstate 78 between mile markers 0 and 8, Interstate 80 between mile markers 208 and 247, Interstate 81 between mile markers 1 and 139, Interstate 83 between mile markers 7 and 50, Interstate 180 between mile markers 1 and 21, Interstate 283. Severe thunderstorms create winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Very heavy localized rain will also occur with this line of severe thunderstorms, which could cause flooding of low-lying and poor drainage areas. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the National Weather Service and State College through Twitter or Facebook. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 a.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lancaster, Lebanon, and Schuylkill.